There it goes. There it goes. Whoa. That was less than a minute.
This one right now. First you're gonna need pool shock. This has like chlorine and stuff in there. And then a while ago I got this brake fluid from Dollar Tree. It says .3, I don't know if this is necessary. Now I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this in there.
Put a little dent in the middle. I tried this a year ago, but it didn't work. It just didn't work, and then I left it. When I came back, it was already burnt. So I just put a little bit on there, let it soak in, and then just wait, and then in probably less than a minute, it'll go off. I tried this like half an hour ago, and it worked. So I'm standing up so I can be ready to move back.
I can say excitement, you know. There it goes. And then it just leaves that thing blob in there.
Smells a tiny bit like chlorine. Not bad.
And this was what I did half an hour ago. So right now, this is like an ashy substance. It's kind of weird though, it's kind of hard. I'm just going to use it to stand up my egg. It's actually kind of a terrible idea. But, I like it, right? Just do it. And then I'm just going to wipe this off so it doesn't really go off that much. And just pour a lot of brake fluid on top. Casually, you know? Everyone knows how to do this. I don't do it quickly. So I can get away from it. Should go up after a minute. Dollar Tree, first one, first one, back.
Half a bag. Yeah. It popped in out here.
It did.
I knew it! I told you, you're power me.
It's half cooked.
Nasty.
Cooked on the edges. Yeah, it's cooked like a millimeter or two on the edges. That's cool.
I'm just going to tiny bit on top and then jiggle it like you know, and then a tiny bit on top.
Okay. It's already smoking. Which is weird.
Heat is already doing it, and it's already going. Drizzle some more on top. Keep drizzling some more. And drizzle some more on top of here. Yeah. And a tiny bit more. There we go. And that's it.
And now let's just take it apart with a knife and see how well cooked and how tasty our egg's going to be in a few minutes. And how toxic.
So that's cooked. And now, really,
That is it. So I'm gonna
personally I wouldn't eat it, but I bet any dog would love to die from this. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. Scramble this.
Alright, don't try this at home. Please just subscribe and stuff for other nice things like this.
This is the aftermath, 30 seconds later. This is quite a substantial mess around. The eggs are pretty well cooked actually. If this one had toxic, this would be a great way to cook eggs in the wild. And the wild.
Be a great food in the wild.
Shut up.
This smells terrible, but I'm just gonna place it in the grass. Oh crap, the brick is hot inside. It's hot inside. That's some good heat from there.
Clean up commences about now. That's what you That's what you know. I'll probably put some duct tape on it later. That got me so wet. I was in water. But, yeah. Why? Yeah, he's just busy. And I'd rather just do this myself and then not have to pay when I start earning money. Right? You already know. I paid him $1 for like 7 videos. I earned no money from those videos yet, so as long as I don't earn any money, I'm not paying anyone to edit them. And that's, when I did start making money, I would have paid him like 10% maybe. head, duh. I need to have 10,000 views in total. Right now I have about 3,000 or 4,000. Yeah, can we go up? Oh, look how pretty that looks now. This is disgusting. Yeah, turn it off. Thank you. And that's it. That's the peanut.